Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we've added improvements to Qlik Sense Mobile that enhance usability and insights on the go. We have significantly improved the mobile table object with better rendering, including additional support for mini charts, totals, search, row counts, and the ability to expand rows and copy cells, replicating many of the capabilities you would find when using a web browser. We enhanced our landscape mode sheet navigation, adding a quick way for users to switch between sheets using native gestures. We added support for application chaining, allowing users to persist filters across multiple apps directly within Qlik Sense Mobile. And the KPI object is now always in responsive mode when in full screen, improving visibility. These capabilities demonstrate our ongoing investment in bringing best-in-class mobile capabilities to our customers. And that is your SaaS in 60.